Guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to look at Systeme.io and how to actually remove that, affiliate button that shows in all of your platforms and services. If you're using ClickFunnels, if you're using Systeme.io, if you're using lead pages, it's normal to see the affiliate tag at the end, or rather the logo of the company, the tool, the software you're using. I'm going to show you in Systeme.io how to remove it completely. So let's hop onto my computer and share with you some more. Guys, I'm here on my screen. Welcome to another Wednesday video. I am definitely going to be talking about tech today. I'm definitely going to be talking about tools. I love Wednesday videos because for me, it is definitely training. It's not the popular kind of videos that I post on my channel. Basically, it doesn't get the whole ton of views, but the reason why I make these videos is because I know that you guys have questions related to this topic, and sometimes people are afraid to even ask and say, how do you actually go about doing these things? So I want to make these tutorials. I want to make sure that it's there for you, and I will point you always to these videos as solutions to your problems. So hope it helps. And if you do, and if this is giving you value, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button, the bell notification, comment below, hit that like, all the things that you do on Facebook or YouTube, sorry, all the things that you do on YouTube to make sure that you show your appreciation, because that's what I want to bring to you guys, and that's the main aim of this channel. That being said, this is my affiliate marketing strategy and I love it. I've been following it for over a year. It's giving me consistent results. So if you want to learn about this strategy, the links are in the description. It does focus on skills, guys. It does take work. It does take effort. It's not going to happen overnight, and no results are guaranteed. At least here you're going away with knowledge that you can then go ahead and use in your daily life, in with other, it's transferable skills basically to other industries if you want, to your day job if you want, the multiple things. So go ahead and check that out, see whether it makes sense for you, and if you want to get started, great, that's perfect. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get into the meat and potatoes of this video, which is the main content. I want to talk about this specific, let me show you. So I want to talk about Systeme.io. Okay, when you are setting up a page in Systeme.io, I'm just going to open another page. I'm going to log in and show you guys in my funnels, the two-step free funnel, by the way, which is in the course that I mentioned in Affiliate Marketing Essentials. You get this kind of funnel also, right? Now, if you view the step, I want to show you guys, sorry, what did I do? If you view the step, what you guys can see at the, oh, not on this page, that's strange. Okay, let me go here. If you view this step, you will not see any affiliate badge. But what I'm going to do just for, purposes of, all right, guys, just to, for purposes of this video, I just open a page that I have, and I'm going to be talking about this powered by Systeme.io. What happens if you click on this powered of Systeme.io? It basically takes you to the affiliate page, which sometimes people get this tool, they sign up and so on and so forth, which is great for me because obviously you get affiliates. But it doesn't mean always that it's a good thing, right? So if there are people who have ClickFunnels, there are people who have lead pages and so on and so forth, and this is good for marketing on one end, but if the focus is not about that marketing, let's say in my case, I have a lead opt-in funnel or a funnel that's collecting leads, why would I distract them? Why would I create another distraction on this page to take them to another page? I don't want that. I want them to enter their email address. So know the purpose of your pages and then also your branding. People know that I'm using Systeme.io. I'm not hiding it. It doesn't mean that you don't need to get started. And I want to encourage each and every one of you, especially for those of you who are procrastinating, to not worry. It doesn't mean anything, that it's not going to harm your whole, it's not a drastic change when you once you remove it, but you just become a little bit more professional. Take your skill up to the next level, but it doesn't have to stop you from taking action and building a funnel yourself, or if you use the course, getting this free funnel. I'm going to show you how to remove this tag right here once you're a paid member. Now, I am going to say this very clearly. If you're a free member of Systeme.io, it is a tool that I use for every single thing that I do marketing wise online, and it is a free tool. However, there are limitations to it. So one of the limitations is that you have this right here, powered by Systeme.io. It's just something that's there on the free plan. However, you can remove it when you're on the paid plan. So if you're interested, what I'm going to do right now, and say this very openly, in the description of this video, the first link is going to be through to the monthly plan for Systeme.io. The reason why I'm sharing the monthly plan there is because this feature is available once you are on the paid plans. Okay, so I will just share one paid plan, and otherwise the free plan as usual will be there in the description of this video. You can always get started at any point of time. Okay, so how do we remove it on this page? Systeme.io is pretty simple, guys. This is going to be a quick tutorial just to show you, and I'm going to do it multiple times so you understand. Let's use the free funnel that we share in Affiliate Marketing Essentials. We go to edit page and it takes you to the edit page builder. As you can see right here, it's pretty much a drag and drop builder that's available. You have all the elements over here on the side, so you can change, add, all these kind of things. We're not going to go into the details of the builder itself, but you can see that the powered by Systeme.io is still here. How do you make the change to this main page? Basically, you go to settings right here on the top left hand side of the page. You scroll right down and you see that there is an affiliation tag right here. Now, when you're a free member, you cannot remove this. But once you are a paid member, you have the option to unclick, or which is display the affiliate badge to earn lifetime commissions, right? This is the possibility for you to promote. Basically, you're not really promoting it, but you're giving the possibility for somebody to get Systeme.io, and the Systeme.io has a last cookie logic in them. So if they click on that, let's say they've already clicked on somebody else's Systeme.io page, but now they've come to your page for some reason and they've clicked on that link. When they go to the paid plan, if they go immediately to the paid plan, the other person whose link they clicked on before is not going to get the commissions. You are going to get the commissions because you were the last click or the last cookie that they were able to get before they actually purchased something with Systeme.io. So it has a last cookie logic. Whether this is good or bad, we can discuss it another time. I just wanted to give you an idea of it. And we want to remove that. So all you need to do is literally unclick there, save it, and there you have it. The page is done. Okay, now if I view the funnel page, you'll see that it doesn't show powered by Systeme.io, but what it does show is this favicon icon right here on the top, which is a Systeme.io one. Now I will go through other trainings on how to remove that and stuff like that, but right now I wanted to just show you that this is just taking care of this button. Now you can do this for all of your pages. So if you go to the thank you page and edit right here, you'll see that I do not have it. But if I need it, I just scroll down here and I add it here and it goes to the thank you page right here. It's as simple as that. Now I don't want to save it, so I'm not going to save it, or rather let's save it and I will show you guys the difference. Sorry, leave site. Let's view the step. It's actually not there on this page because I've removed it. Okay, so that's how it is on the funnel, and you can do this pretty much for each and every page. Now there's another thing that is important. Let me go ahead and just open an email from myself. So I'm going to go to my Gmail and I have an email from me here. And if I scroll down here, you can see that it shows Systeme.io, send with Systeme.io right here, right? And usually on my broadcast emails, if I go to Outlook, actually, you'll be able to see this better. Let's leave. And let's just look at not this one right here, but let's look at this weekly newsletter. In this weekly newsletter, if I scroll down, you'll see right down here, it says again, powered by Systeme.io. This is a template that's being used and it shows powered by Systeme.io. How do I remove this from the template? Simply, I go here and say email footer. Okay, so this is the default email footer. And how do you go to the email footer? Basically, you need to go to settings. You need to go here to your profile, settings, and then click on emails and scroll down over here. Okay, and then you have there's a cool feature which we'll talk about this another time. Here you have email footer, and in the email footer you can add some message and stuff like that, or you can also unclick the display my affiliate link at the end of each email as I send it. Really, I'm going to remove it because I don't want it on my emails. And display unsubscribe from email campaign. This I want, but this is the whole this is the whole point of taking and removing it. So that's what I've done right now, and I'm going to click on save, which basically means when I send out an email now, the next newsletter on Sunday that I send, it will not have this powered by Systeme.io. Okay, so if you want to test it out, I can show you guys how it looks and so on and so forth, but right now I just wanted to give you an idea of this. So hopefully that answers your question. You understood how to do it. It's very simple. Systeme.io is a great tool. I'm not going to go into details. If you want to see all training, other materials, everything else is the there's a free playlist in the description of this video, so make sure to check that out. And guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I'm going to see you on the next one. This was a short one, a quick one. Next week, we are going to go much more into detail about segmenting your list, so I hope that helps you. But I wanted to make a quick tutorial for you guys this week. Have a great day. See you on Friday for the next video.